Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your website to your Zello account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then on profile. And then in the top right corner we have pencil, we tap on that, scroll down, and here we find website. Here we can just enter the link to our website that we have, and afterwards if you are done, we just tap on save, and it's going to appear right here. As you can see, the other details that I have added are here. And similarly the website is going to appear here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.